Okay, so what is this that I see behind you with the owls?
What we do is we rank our engagement. When we like after we read a book or something, we rank it to see if you were flying high in the sky means like you really loved it, and like you could do it all day long. And then hanging in there, that's like in the tree. It's kind of like it was fun and good, just not the best ever.
Okay.
And down on the ground means you did not like it at all and you could easily take a nap.
You could easily take a nap. Okay. And have you ever felt that way before? Have you ever ranked yourself, I could easily take a nap?
No. But I did rank myself right here one time.
Okay.
Because I liked it, but it wasn't like the best I've ever heard, because I've heard lots of stories that were a little better than it, and I've done things that I liked a lot better.
Okay, so when you use this, are you only ranking books and stories that you've heard?
No. Sometimes we rank things like high climbers, which we have on our contract, and
just other things that you do in the classroom?
Almost everything.
Okay, and what was the difference between, how did you feel differently between when you ranked yourself high and you ranked yourself medium?
The medium, I kind of felt, I don't know, it's just I didn't like it as good as the other thing that we did, so...
So you were more engaged when you kind of liked it better? Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.